idea because we felt like ambulance in metropolitan area take a long while to reach your designated area, right? So now you can actually deliver your personalized kit that your doctor will prepare for you in case of an emergency. And it'll actually fly to a certain destination that 911 has tracked to your location.
I'll talk a little bit more on the specifics of the research we did. So as you can see, in the United States, the disease or the illness that causes the most amount of deaths is actually heart attacks. And studies have found that when heart attacks are treated really quickly, the rate of survival increases by a lot. On top of that, in 2017, 20% of all emergency deaths were caused because of ambulance delays or traffic.
I believe it was 84,810 ambulance crashes that caused the deaths of thousands of innocent patients. So we believe that in order for us to reduce that amount, we can prep the people to take their life in their own hands until the time the police show up. So I would like to talk more about the hardware for a drone. This entire drone was built at the Hackathon, from soldering to wiring and to screwing all the parts in. Our drone uses the multi-board, which is our main motherboard, and it uses four motors, and each motor has one ESC. Our car is about a 4,000 milliamp battery, so it can fly for around 15 to 20 minutes based on the amount of charge it has. So it has enough charge to at least reach its destination and stay there until the authorities can pick it up. And now I believe Adam would like to talk about what process we use and our coding languages.
So now you might wonder how this drone flies 100% automatically to the location of this patient. So first, a GPS signal is sent to the drone where the patient is located in the general area. Then the drone is set that location and it uses ultrasonic sensors to avoid obstacles such as trees, poles, etc. Once it gets to that location, it uses YOLO object detection to find the nearest person, which then it flies to and drops the replies at.
So we believe that this drone can actually help cut cost. So we believe that this drone can cut a lot of price. Since if you use ambulances, you have to spend a lot of fuel and it takes a lot of time. Whereas this drone can take around $100 to go, and you can save a lot of, and you only have to pay for the battery life. And this can actually get into tight places. For example, in let's say tier 1 cities such as New York City, it takes a long time for the ambulances to get to the place. Okay, so we will be doing our demo. So we're not going to go forward or backward. We're just going to lift it up a little bit to make it covered. Last time we did that, it actually crashed into the table because we did not put it in the correct place.
Broken?
That's okay.
One of the propellers came off. Oh well.
Great job, guys.
I think they make them better in the government.